Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing and installation of the Cherry and Gold luxury Apple Watch case. I was searching the internet for some Apple Watch cases and none of them really suited my needs until I came across the Cherry and Gold luxury Apple Watch case. This Apple Watch case is made from stainless steel and should protect your watch from bumps and scratches. Plus it comes with a variety of color silicone and leather straps. I just love how this case makes my Apple Watch really stand out from the crowd and making it look really luxurious. So let's do a quick unboxing and see how it fits in my Apple Watch. See you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Cherry and Gold luxury Apple Watch case. Let's bring it out. Yes, it's pretty nice. It's got this nice look and feel to it. Made from solid stainless steel. Got a rose gold color to it. Let's see what else is inside the box. Okay, we have a cleaning cloth and a screwdriver, as well as some spare mounts. Okay, let's take a closer look at the watch itself. Looking from the side, it's got this nice sheen to it from the rose gold stainless steel, and pretty high quality. Feels nice to the hand. It's got this nice black silicone strap to it as well. Okay, I'm all done, so let's take a look. Yeah, very nice. Look at that. It looks really luxurious, and it feels nice to the hand. And let's see how the function works. Yep. Okay, let's take a look at the crown. Yep, the crown works nice, and no issues with that. The button also works very good. Let's have a look at the Clockology app. Here you go. It's got some nice watch faces there, and it will look really nice with my watch case. All right. I really like this Apple Watch case, and It's got this really nice premium look to it. The rose gold looks really nice, and it matches my Apple Watch really good. Alright, let's strap this onto my wrist and see what it looks like. Okay, the rubber silicone feels really nice and is easy to mount, and there's a couple of holes there. You could adjust your wrist, and yeah, very nice. Look at that. All my apps are working. The button also works really nice. Here we have my Apple Pay. Works really nice. Alright, let's click on to the Clockology, and we've got some nice watch faces there. Alright, it's a really nice Apple Watch case from Cherry & Gold. Look with the rose gold and black. I really like it. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing and installation of the Cherry & Gold luxury Apple Watch case. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.